Welcome. In front of me is a fake Samsung phone, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me is just going to be this home screen. And once it's open and visible on the screen, simply hold power key and volume down. You'll get this animation which quickly disappears, and that's it. Your screenshot has been captured. Now you also get a notification and here that you have captured a screenshot. You have the option to share it from here, and overall the image can be found in your gallery application. Once you open it up, you'll have a screenshot folder which will have every screenshot that you have captured over the entire time you use the device. And you can open it up, and there we go. So that is how you capture a screenshot and where you can find it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.